Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can change subtitle language. So we have to go for your remote control and tap on the settings. Next you are navigate with arrows just like that, and you have to scroll down for the accessibility. Click OK, then tap on the right arrow, pick the subtitle, and when you scroll down you got the first and the second subtitle, so you have to simply change the language for it. So if you want to pick one of them, you have to just go for it like that, and then just tap on the OK. And when you go back, you can spot that the subtitle first language has changed. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.